YouTube Partner Program (YP). Earn money through ads shown on your videos. To qualify, have at least 10 subscribers. Accumulate 40 watch hours in the past year or 10 million views on shorts within 90 days. Adhere to YouTube's community guidelines. Channel memberships. Offer paid subscriptions to your followers for exclusive perks, super chats and super stickers. Viewers can pay during live streams to highlight their messages. Merchandise shelf. Sell your merchandise directly from your channel. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links in your video descriptions. Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Instagram branded content. Partner with brands to create sponsored posts or stories. Instagram Reels bonuses. Instagram offers bonuses to eligible creators for creating engaging reels. Badges in live videos. Viewers can buy badges during your live streams to support you. Sell products or services. Use Instagram to market your own products or services. TikTok Creator Fund. Eligible creators get paid based on the performance of their videos. TikTok Live Gifts. Viewers send virtual gifts during your live streams, which you can convert into money.